What is the fastest way to list on eBay? Well, honestly, it's to let somebody else do the listings for you. Let me show you how you can get that done, how quick it is, and how affordable. Yeah, welcome to the channel, guys. I get asked all the time how people can go faster at their eBay listings, and I've done videos about how to do photos faster and actual listings, but if you really want to speed it up and get all of your death piles and money mountains taken care of and knocked out, just let somebody else do it. The team over at Ecommerce Listers, this is a completely sponsored, promoted video, but the team at Ecommerce Listers is insanely fast. They can do 10 listings a week, 50 listings, 100 or 500 listings a week, whatever you need done. All you gotta do is photograph your inventory and they handle the rest of it. And so I'm gonna show you a quick little demo. I'll show you the website. I'll show you how to save money with a discount code that I'm gonna give you for this video. And also, in addition to being able to get your listings done insanely fast, they have a fulfillment center at Ecommerce Listers where even if you just want to have your inventory stored, they will store the inventory for you and ship it out when it sells. You can literally do eBay hands off. It's just like a fulfillment center for Amazon. If you've ever heard of Amazon FBA for you non-Amazon sellers, that's exactly what the fulfillment center is at Ecommerce Listers. They will store it for you. When it sells, they will check each morning, pack your items up, provide the packing material, and then ship it out for you. They can even do the listings from start to finish, including the photos if you don't want to do the photos. Or you can do the photos yourself, have them complete the listings, and then store and list and ship the items. It's totally up to you how much you have them do or how little you have them do. From listings only, where you keep everything and just send the photos, all the way down to the all-in-one service where you just ship your inventory in a box. They photograph it, list it, store it, ship it, do everything for you start to finish. You have options of everything in between. So let's take a look at that. I'll show you what it costs. I'll show you what it looks like. I'll show you the small demo. And then you guys can go over and hit up Ecommercelisters at gmail.com or www.ecommercelisters.com. They'll both be posted below in the description box, and in the pinned comment. So if you need that, I'll also put a discount code for you guys down there. Let's go check it out. Okay, so this is the main website, ecommercelisters.com. Again, it will be linked down below, and I will put a discount code in there for you guys to save some money. It'll be in the description box and in the pinned comment. I think we're just going to do 20% off. So it's gonna be Rockstarflipper 20 is what we will put in there for 20% off. And that will be good until July 1st, 2025. So from now until July 1st, you gotta get it before then. The code will expire. So essentially you can contact us or just buy now. Here's where you get your listings through the buy now button. We'll go over the price in a minute. This talks about our all-in-one service, about getting everything and what's included. You can contact us and of course our terms of service, but what everybody cares about is what does it cost? And then I'll show you how it actually works. So what you can buy is 10 listings, 25 listings, 50, 100, 250, 500, or 1,000. As you can see, it gets cheaper as you buy more credits. Now, these credits are good for life. They never expire. You can use them anytime. You can use 1 a day, 5 a day, 50 a day, 5 million a day. So if you buy, say 100 credits and you want to use 20 on Monday, 20 on Tuesday, 20 on Wednesday, 20 on Thursday, 20 on Friday, that's fine. If you get busy Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and you want to give us 50 on Thursday and 50 on Friday, cool. However you want to upload the photos, then we will start creating the listings in that time frame. Sometimes it's 24 to 48 hours. Sometimes it's 48 to 72 hours. It depends on how busy we are, and they will talk to you about that each day, day in and day out on the website or the app. So once you have credits, once you purchase your credits, remember you're also going to get a discount code on this price. You can also look at some of the how it works and multi-user access on the website while you're buying credits. Once you get that discount, you'll get emailed with the login information. We will set you up with an account. You will be able to create your password and everything that you need. We have a website and a mobile app, so you can do it from your phone with your photos. You don't have to go on a computer. If you don't want to, you can. If you want to, either way is fine. Also, we use eBay's multi-user access, perfectly safe. It's like you're giving an employee access. You only grant us access to the features that we need, like creating drafts and listings. You don't give us access to like your financials or your messages. You keep all that private. So that's how that works. Super, super easy. You can get set up in 5 to 10 minutes and you're off and running. You start uploading photos. We'll get a little questionnaire from you. It's a little bit about your account, how you do your handling and shipping time and your policies. They'll walk you through that. It's super easy. And then once you have it, let's move over here to the website page. This is what it looks like on the website. Again, you could do this on the mobile app. It'll look just the same, but just a slight difference. And so I'm on my admin page. So I have a ton of people to the left. This left side that says workspaces is all my message boxes with all of my clients. But you will only have 1 or 2 message boxes. You'll have a message box with Tim and with the team, and one with me if you want to have there. And that is essentially just like an inbox message on Facebook or Instagram or wherever you do. It's a messaging. It's you and I talking back and forth, or you and the team, you and Tim, who normally handle everything, back and forth. And then that's also where you have a box. If we look in the middle here, you will see there's a photo upload box, right? And this photo upload box is where you drag and drop your photos. You can see they're grayed out. But if we scroll down the photo uploads, this particular customer uploads a lot of photos. Do you see how this one down here in the 200 box says in progress? You can see that down there. They're currently uploading photos into there, and the team is receiving that on the other end. And so the left side is just your inbox. The middle is where you upload your photos, and then you can search. And then the right side is the actual text. And you can see this, it's an actual like running set of messages and notifications showing confirmation that you uploaded your photos, confirmation that you messaged us, confirmation that we completed your listings. We will send you back a screenshot showing that we completed X amount of listings for that day, 10, 20, 50, whatever it is. And then you can go about asking questions, direct messaging us one-on-one. All of us on the team have the app. We all have the messenger, so we get the notifications. And that's how that works. It's that simple. You basically upload the photos, they create the drafts and review them, put them directly into your eBay drafts. You go into your eBay drafts and make them live once you are happy with them. And that's the entire process, guys. It's that simple. You can upload 50, sit down, take 50 items worth of photos. Let's say you do t-shirts and you do 4 photos for each. So sit down, take your 200 photos, drop them into here, and then you wake up tomorrow and all 50 listings are completed. So that's e-commerce listers in a nutshell. Now the fulfillment center, a lot of people like to ask about the fulfillment center. So 2 options with the fulfillment center. You can ship your inventory in that's already listed or that we're currently working on getting listed for you, like you just did there, and they will store it for you and they will ship it out for you. There is a separate charge above and beyond what you see here on the website for the listing service. Or if you don't want to take those photos, you can pack it up before you do that. Again, ship it in. We pay the inbound shipping for any of that. And we will take the photos, then we'll do the listings just like if you had put them into the website or the app. We'll complete those listings, you'll make them live, then the team will put them on the shelf in the 5,000 square foot building. And when they sell, every morning we will check your account shipping and ship out any of the items. We will print the label, we will pack them up in our packing material and send them out to your customers. So if you want more information on that, you need to email us, ecommercelisters@gmail.com, because every item and every category for the fulfillment, because of that inbound shipping and that cost and the amount of storage space, it is a different price. So we can give you those prices for what you have. If somebody is doing small video games, that might be one price. If somebody's doing frying pans, that might be another price. I hope that makes sense. So that is e-commerce listers and the fulfillment center in a nutshell. If you're interested in either of those, please, ecommercelisters@gmail.com. Email us. I'll get you the full breakdown, more information. And if you want to buy listings and get started with that discount code, I'm going to make it Rockstarflipper20. I'll put that down in the description box in the pinned comment, the top comment on this video as well. Rockstarflipper, Flipper, all one word, and the number 2020 will be your discount code for 20% off. Before July the 1st, make sure you get those listings, and Tim can work out an amazing price for you on the fulfillment center if you decide to send inventory in for us to store. As always, thank you for being here. I appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Make sure you support e-commerce listers, grow your store, support your business, support what you do to make money. Whether it's a side hobby, a hustle, or full-time, we can help you expand it, grow it, and make it even bigger than what it is now. Ecommercelisters@gmail.com and www.ecommercelisters.com. Rockstarflipper20, and I will see everyone next time.